Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today for a tutorial on my choreography to Husn, suhana from Coolie #1. Hero #1? Not sure. Govinda song. Now bear with me with this tutorial, main Hindi nahi bolti, so if I pronounce anything wrong, please forgive me, or you can mock me mercilessly in the comments. I do not mind, it helps my metrics. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get into the choreography. So the very first thing is you can freestyle, you can make stupid expressions as you see me doing in the video, whatever you like. Let's learn the hands first. So hands cross over, they go directly one to your head, so our left is at our head, and our right is down below like you're reaching for a high five. Fingers are in jazz. You're going to push, push. So when we're pushing with our elbow and our hand. We're also using our chest. So our chest comes forward and it goes in, in. Again, cross and out, in and in. We switch it over and now we do the same thing but with our left. 1, 2, in, in. Okay, this makes a little more sense with our feet. So our feet go cross, jump out, and make sure your knees are bent so we can use our hips. So we're doing a little pelvis, forward, forward. Now I can see some of you just like the cogs turning and things like that, so make sure your pelvis is back to go forward, otherwise there's nowhere else to go. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put both together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, crossing, cross and out, push and push, cross and out, push and push. So you notice my pelvis, it's going towards the corner. That's where we should be facing, not the wall, not direct front. All right, from there, we take our foot across. So we take our foot across, take a step, 1 and 2. All right? So when we do that, a little shimmy. Okay, if you're not a big shoulder shaker, you can push the buttons on either side of the wall. No one is going to know. We're going to take our knee up, 1 and 2. So hardly any weight when we put our right foot down. Then we're going to push down. Our hands are going to punch and frame our left leg. We're going to bring our right foot in, punch, punch, chin up. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So now it's your right foot coming across, shimmy and shimmy, punching around your right leg, punch, 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 chin up. That's our intro. Let's put it together. If you're still confused, you can go back and do it as many times as you like with that explanation, but we're going to put it together now, up to speed. Ready? So we go 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, cross, and push, push, cross, 1, 2, push and shimmy, 1 and 2, punching, 1, 2, 3, chin up, shimmy, 1, 2, and punch, 1, 2, 3, up. Section 2, this is where she starts singing, Husn, suhana. Okay, I promise I won't sing more. All right, so we've just done 1, up. Okay, we're going to basically, our feet are here, your weight is in your right side, you're going to sit in it, all right? So it's already here, sit down. Again, up, sit down. Good job. All right, so our booty goes right, left, right, left, right, left. So it's not directly side to side, it's a little bit of a figure 8, so we're going to the back corners of the room with our hips, okay? Then with our hands, we're going to wipe the window. Wipe the window, and quickly wipe the window, okay? So slow, slow, quick, 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 ishk. All right, so you're going to take your hand up to your head, other one is just like holding a bag of shopping. You're going to take your chest in, 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 and then we're going to stab our heart because it's really dramatic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to do the same thing, but without the little things in between. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, so far? We're going to say, come here, come here. Ooh. Okay, sorry. We're going to draw a circle with our thumbs around our heart, round our heart, round our heart. Come here with your hands. Come here with your hands, okay? When we do that, we're simply stepping together. So right together, left together, right together, left together. Let's put them together. With this one, it's really important to leave those elbows nice and lifted. You don't want to do this, otherwise you look like a sad Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, pulling, 3, and 4. So notice when I'm pulling, I'm like kind of turning the doorknob and bringing it in. Turn the doorknob and bring it in. Let's do all those steps together, and then it goes into the chorus. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Husn suhana, quick, 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 and pulling. Ishke divana, stab, stab, and repeat. Windows, windows, drama, drama, round, round, pulling. 1 and 2. Okay, let's move on. We're going to point our finger 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to take our hands. Left hand is up on the top, like you're trying to touch your fingers together. And we're going to say stop, then switch it over, and stop. All right? And then we're on to our chorus. So when we do this, our feet go, right foot goes, tap, tap, tap to the back, step, tap, step, tap. Okay, you got that? So our left doesn't move, our right shifts all the way around. We're going to point towards the camera or the person we're singing to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put all of it together, and yeah, then we can do it with music. All right, so it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and quickly. 1, 2, 3 to the corner. 1, 2, stab your heart, stabby, stab, stabby, stab, and push, drama, drama, and circle, circle, grabbing, grabbing, ready, step around, 2, 3 to the back, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're on to section number 3, which is the chorus. So we've just finished facing the back. We've gone 5, 6, 7, 8. So we ended with our right hand on top, I think. Then we're going to face our partner. So if you've got someone to face, you're going to be facing each other. All right, so they might face this way, and you might face this way. You guys work it out amongst yourselves. You're going to go na, like someone's just said no to you, like after you put yourself out there. Okay, na, you're going to listen to them. All right, so when we listen to them, we're going to take a little kick. So it's just a hop, really, but to make it a bit stylish, you kick your right foot, and then put your hands on the table and under your chin, like they're saying something really interesting. And then na-a. So the first one is a look and sit, jump. So that's in the silence. Na-a. And then from there, gori-a. So on a, you're going to be looking away from your partner dramatically. So it could be like this, it could be like this, it could be like this. That you can do on your own. So away from your partner, my invisible partner is there. 1, you're going to look back at them. So whatever drama you did on this side, you're going to throw it down. And then you're going to go pump, pump. So it goes and, in. Then your knees are going to go in, out. So to do that, we have to put our weight into our toes. We can't do this on our heels. Otherwise, it's going to look all off. It's going to feel really off as well. So in, out, right, left. Okay, so the same little hop, right, left, to get us over to face the wall. And that's all of us. So they would also do da-da-da-da, and we'd also be facing here. Unless you want to get wild and re-choreograph my choreography, that's fine. Okay, and then we do like the hook step. So let's do all of that together. So we've just finished 7, 8. We look, na, na, jump. Na-a, gori-a, churana, mera-ji, da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Clap it with me. Da-da-da-da. Cool. Da-da-da-da. Again. Da-da-da-da. One more. Da-da-da-da. Cool. Okay, now it's a step that most of us know. It's just a dipping step. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so it's quite a high dipping step with our right knee coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's on the off beat that your hand is going, wow, touch her, don't touch her, Me Too movement. Okay, so let's do it all together. We're going to go from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and na, na, jump. na, and pull. Look, pump, pump, da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, practice that as many times as you need, and then we'll move on to the next section. All right, we're on to the second part of the chorus now. So, what did we just do? 1, 2, 3, 4, and. We're here, so on the and, that's where we've finished. You're going to do a lasso, 1, 2. So just one whip, forward. I think that's anti-clockwise. It's really hard to tell, because if you do that, it's clockwise. Boom, okay? With that, you're going to take your foot up. So again, that same hitch thing that I've done a couple of times. You're going to hitch it, and you're going to go 1, 2. So hit right, and we're framing like strong man holding a bale of hay. Other side. Okay? You're going to take your left hand over in a circle, and at the same time, step your right foot in. Step, cover your face. All right? Why this looks kind of good is because I'm going here, and then my elbow is lifting, and then this part of my arm is coming down, but not the elbow, and it's not like, you know what I mean? You want to keep it all in a straight line. So 1, 2, push, push. So again, it's pelvis, forward, forward. Then, all we're going to do with our feet is this. Okay, so that's 6 little low impact jumps, all right, but with bent knees, make sure your knees are bent, and feet together. What your hands are doing is one goes behind your head, so right goes behind your head, left comes back up, right comes again, same thing. Boom, boom. Okay, so it's like a longer version of what we've just done. So we're going to go behind our head, circle, take it up, cover your face. For the drama. All right, so when we're doing that, we are taking the little jumps. Ready? So right goes behind first. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it all right? Okay. From there, you take a little walk. You're going to walk 2, 3, 4 to face the front. From there, you're going to come back into frame with a little flick step. So the walking bit is easy. 1, 2, 3, face the front. Now, most of my weight, I think like 80% of my weight is here, 20% is here. This is just on the toe. You're just going to flick, 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 flick. Okay, a super Bollywoody step. All right, make sure this is bent a little bit, and especially make sure that that knee is turned out. So from your hip, you're turned out, okay? So the knee is tracking over your foot. We're walking over here. 1, 2, 3, and place. Flick, 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 flick. All right? One way of thinking about it, if you're not used to this step, is either using your hip in it to make it happen. Another way you can think about it is like a ninja. All right? So that's 2 different ways to think about it. You're just going to walk 2, 3, 4, and then your hands are going to come across. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go into the na, na chorus again. So let's put it all together from here. Ready? With counts. So first a lasso and boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, going. Lasso and right, left, round and push, push. Behind your head, windmill round. 1, 2, push, push. Walk. 2, 3, and place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if you didn't get that, do it again. Feel free to do it slower. There's a little cog in YouTube that slows down your video below in settings. Otherwise, we'll move on. So we're here. We just finished that. We're going to take our hand and we're going to say na. Okay? So like you're not even going to have it. You're done with it. 1, 2. All right, so our right foot is stepping down. Our left hand is touching your shirt and then saying stop. 1, 2, and then saying no, 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 waggle your finger, right, left. Then it's a repeat. Gori a churana mera di da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From there, let's just finish off this section, and then that's actually the end of this tutorial. From there, we just do our hands in shaka. Yay! 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So I call this milking the cow, surfy style. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Cool? With that, we're going to step, 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 and. So what's really important is we've got a booty waggle. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Cool. So it goes. All right. So this is playing with that idea, yeah? All right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7. Let's finish it. Goria, Churana, Merajia. Okay, so from here, behind your head, elbows come forward. Again, we use our chest in the, the chest goes opposite to the elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this I'm just checking my pockets for my keys. When we do that, we're taking steps on the right, left towards the corners. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, let's put all of that together. We'll go from here, then we'll do it all with music. And now you've done the full choreography of the first part of my dance to Husn Hey Suhana. So go you. All right, from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, right, left. Turn and dumka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dumka. Walk 1, 2, 3, and turn. Flick, flick, flick. Tell them na, 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 and repeat to your partner who's not there. In, out, da-da. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and frame your head. 1, and down, and up, and down. And you did it, and you did it, and you did it. Thank you so much for learning my choreography to Husn Hey Suhana, or at least the first part. If you'd like the second part, you can do one favor for me, okay? You can make sure that we get to 50,000 views on the original choreography video. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you rectify that horrible situation immediately by following me at Drea Choreo. And if you record any video or do any performance on this, make sure you tag me at Drea Choreo on Instagram as well. I hope you have a lovely day and that you're also subscribed for regular content. Okay, bye.